Ever looked up at the moon and wondered when we're going back? Well, that time is closer than you think, thanks to NASA's Artemis II mission. But this isn't just about revisiting our celestial neighbor. It's about pushing the boundaries of human space exploration and ensuring our astronauts come home safely. And the key to that safe return? A revolutionary new heat shield. Imagine a spacecraft hurtling back to Earth at over 25,000 miles per hour. As it hits our atmosphere, it generates an incredible amount of heat, reaching temperatures of nearly 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about half as hot as the surface of the sun. Protecting the crew inside from this inferno is the single most critical job of the heat shield. For Artemis II, NASA isn't just using old tech. They're innovating. This new heat shield is a marvel of material science. It's made of a material called avcoat, which is an ablative heat shield. Now, what does ablative mean? It's a fancy way of saying it's designed to burn away in a controlled manner. As the outer layers char and flake off, they carry the intense heat away from the Orion spacecraft, keeping the astronauts inside safe and sound. It's like an onion peeling away its layers to protect the core. So, how do they test something that has to withstand such extreme conditions? You can't just take it for a test drive. This is where the real genius comes in. NASA scientists use a combination of powerful lasers and something called a plasma wind tunnel. They blast samples of the heat shield material with everything they've got, simulating the brutal conditions of atmospheric re-entry. These tests generate massive amounts of data, helping engineers understand exactly how the material will behave. But here's the most fascinating part. For the first time, NASA will be testing the heat shield in a way they never could before, with a crew on board. While the Apollo missions provided some data, the technology was different. The space shuttle's tiles were reusable but more fragile. The Artemis II mission will give us the first ever data set on how a modern, crewed ablative heat shield performs during a lunar return mission. The sensors embedded within the shield will measure temperature and pressure in real time. This isn't just a test. It's a live science experiment happening miles above our heads. This data is absolutely vital. It will not only validate the computer models we've relied on for decades, but will also help refine the designs for future, more ambitious missions. We're talking about missions to Mars. The journey to the red planet is longer, and the re-entry speeds will be even higher. The lessons learned from the Artemis II heat shield are the foundation upon which humanity's future in deep space will be built. Every piece of data collected helps make those future missions safer. Think about it. The 4 astronauts on Artemis II aren't just passengers. They are pioneers and test pilots in the truest sense. Their journey around the moon and back is a critical step in proving the technology that will one day carry humans to another planet. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless desire to explore. The work being done on this heat shield today is what will save the lives of astronauts tomorrow. So next time you see news about the Artemis program, remember, it's about more than just footprints on the moon. It's about the unsung heroes of engineering and science, the rigorous testing, and the incredible technology like the heat shield that makes it all possible. It's about securing our future among the stars. Thanks so much for watching. If you're as excited about the future of space exploration as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that is taking us to new worlds. See you in the next one.